In Verilog, operators follow a strict order of precedence, meaning they are evaluated in a specific order from high to low. This order can be difficult to memorize, and relying solely on it can make your code hard to read for others. To avoid confusion, it's always a good idea to use parentheses to group expressions clearly. Let's go through some examples. Unary operators have the highest precedence, meaning they are evaluated first. After that come arithmetic operators. Next are shift operators, which are used for bit shifting. Relational operators are evaluated after the shift operators. These are followed by equality operators. Bitwise operators have lower precedence, while logical operators are evaluated even later. Finally, the conditional operator concatenation replication operators are at the lowest end of the precedence table. This means they are evaluated last. To make your code more readable and to avoid mistakes, it's better to use parentheses when dealing with complex expressions instead of relying on operator precedence.